Do you have a problem with making money online? You may have tried a couple of side hustles or bought couple make money online courses, but nothing seems to work. And you are worried that if you don't find a way to start generating additional income, you'll be buried in unpaid bills, trapped in your exhausting 9-to-5 forever, and stuck living paycheck to paycheck for the rest of your life. You might think that you need to have some technical background or special skills to start generating income online. But the root of your problem is that nobody told you that you don't really need tech skills to make money online these days. Everything is drag and drop, and the entire business can be automated. Look, I'm just an average guy, okay? Terrible with computers. But I make $1,000 in daily profits online. So how do I do it? It's all about knowing where to focus your time and your effort. I simply learned some basic marketing skills to promote high-quality digital products online. That's how I did it, okay? Forget the expensive and complicated business models like Amazon FBA or dropshipping. They are a headache and very little profit margins, usually just 15%. Instead, focus on reselling other people's digital products like courses, software, digital platforms. This is called affiliate digital marketing. The profit margins can be as high as 100%. And you don't need to deal with any shipping or inventory. I use an automated system to handle my entire sales process. And every day, I just focus on posting 1 or 2 free videos like this one on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram to get free leads into my automated system. So if you are wondering if you, an everyday person with no tech experience, can do this as well, yes, you can. You just need a bit of good work ethic. Be willing to learn and be coachable. If you have that, there's no reason why you can't generate results online. If you want to learn, I put together a free training to show you exactly step by step how to make your first $1,000 day by using this simple method. So if you are interested, follow me, like this video, and comment results down below, then I'll send it over to you. Let's go.